Hello everyone. Good afternoon. This is our order for today. Our sweet biko malagkit. Sweet malagkit. Sa may English sa biko, guys. 50 pieces ni guys. 25 50 all in all, and then bangi. This is our order for today. Our bangi. Diba? And then with homba, pork homba, and katambak fish. 2 pieces only, but a little bigger and bigger. Oh yeah, so pretty. And with our lumpia Shanghai, 150 pieces. Alright, this is bound to Hagubiao, Mandawi City, Cebu. Alright guys, thank you so much everyone for watching. And hindi ako makapag-ano sa inyo. Nakakain tayo nito kasi order ito. So ito na lang mga tira-tira dito sa bahay ang kakainin natin, guys. Come here guys, come here. Kain tayo ng mga tira-tira sa order. Thank you so much everyone, and God bless you all. Bye-bye. Alright. Look at the biko with toppings dukot. Okay. Kaya need pa i-deliver to. Malayo-layo pa ang deliveran. Sige guys, bye-bye na po. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Babush!